Let's do some stoichiometry. All right, let's start with writing the equation. We got acetylene gas and calcium hydroxide is produced. All right, so that's going to be on the right side of this arrow. We're given acetylene is gas, and calcium hydroxide is solution. All right, calcium is a 2 positive cation, and hydroxide is a 1 negative anion. So we crisscross those charges to get the formula unit. And we'll put AQ there for solution. All right, how do we get this? We get it by adding water, so that's H2O. It doesn't specify, so that's a liquid. To calcium carbide, and tells you, oh, we did this in our lab. All right, drop calcium carbide pellets. Those are solid pellets that look like gravel, and it got us this explosive gas. All right, let's balance this before we move on. All right, so yeah, you know what? I'm going to yeah. All right, let's just see how it goes. Hydrogen. Whoops. What am I doing here? Hydrogen oxide, calcium, and carbon. In the same order, on the right side, hydrogen appears in 2 locations, so 2 different lines for those. Oxygen, calcium, and carbon. Okay, we got 2 hydrogens on the left side, 1 oxygen, 1 calcium, and 2 carbons. And on the product side, we've got 2 in the acetylene. We've got 2. We've got to distribute there. 2 in the hydroxide. 2 oxygens, 1 calcium, and 2 carbons. All right, where to start? Let's do the hydrogens appear in. Let's see here. Yeah, let's start there. Multiply that by 2 to get 4 on hydrogen on both sides, because there's 4 on the product side. All right, so where do we see hydrogen? Let's put a 2 there to multiply that, and then that's going to multiply that one also by 2. That's this oxygen there. So we're going to get 2. All right. Boom. That was it. All right, so the coefficients are 2, 1, 1, 1. All right, now on to the stoich. Need more room. How many grams of acetylene is produced? Start with 5 grams of calcium carbide. 5 grams of calcium carbide. All right, so let's start with what we're given. 5. Change this color up. I think it said 5.00 grams of calcium carbide. Okay, and I already forgot what it asked. Grams of acetylene. So we're given here calcium carbide, and we're going to find out how many grams of acetylene. All right. Step 1 is convert what's given into moles. All right, so we need grams of calcium carbide to moles. Grams to moles, moles to grams, moles to mass, mass to moles. We need the periodic table, we need the molar mass. Sig figs, we got 3 sig figs. All right, so let's round these to 4, I guess. Calcium is 40.08, and carbon is 12.011. There's 2 of them. This should be 24.022. Let's add them up. 2, 0, 1, 4, 6 grams per mole. is the molar mass for calcium carbide. All right, let's put that 64.102 next to where we see grams. All right, this is a conversion factor, so it's got to be equivalent. All right, cancel these units out as we go. Now let's convert to the substance using molar mass. Molar mass. So we need moles. This is where we convert, get rid of the substance we're starting with, which is calcium carbide, and we're ending up with the substance. The question is asking for acetylene. So we need that on the other side. So notice these moles are going to cancel out. All right, let's find the mole ratio using the balanced equation. All right, so the balanced equation tells us the mole ratio here between calcium carbide right there and acetylene is a 1-to-1 ratio. All right, so we didn't even need this conversion factor, but let's do it. It shows you all the steps. All right, so 1-to-1 mole ratio. Now our final step is to convert to the desired unit. All right, so what did it ask us for? I think this is grams. Grams of acetylene. All right, we have moles of acetylene right now, so we want to turn that into grams of acetylene. All right, so get rid of moles and end up with grams. Mass to moles or moles to mass, that's your molar mass. All right, C2. All right, molar mass of carbon times 2. All right, H2. Let's go with 1.008. Give us 4 digits there. Times 2 is going to be 2.016. All right, let's add these up. There's our molar mass for acetylene, 26.038 grams per mole. Cancel out these units. All right, let's punch the rest in our calculator. All right. 5 divided by 64.102 times 26.038. Our final answer is 2.03, rounded to 3 sig figs, grams of acetylene. Those are the units left.